Hadirin kajing kenat berkajing kelumar ke belalam sekajing thang ru ya kali hakalaj makra police station henen siteng sinya jong kanriu terek naitung hadirin kajing kenat berkajing show hakithan laj makra family ka thang ko kong Ampareen lingdo menta ka step jong kan nyau terek kelahiar hi sel makra police station bakala batha iki pulit bagide ban pelong ya kajing toket ke bakham bnya banlap ya kadau tenra ya kajing thau jing kelumar halor kane kalapan pauru ya kajing Bitar bakal penram jor ya badan keti hakane kajing ya kenat nak bukdau bakadai tang namar kajing ele kelumar hakadi ke bam
kadang don kajing jurip nakaliang jong kipulet banwat ya kata kadau jong kata ka cingthang ya kini kali haka police station laju kra bit house kani kajing ja kalong ka susi sipon kung mga layo mga kajing pentip na kipulen kalong ba kaladon kajing ya mai hapding armamla hakaway ni kidong syakman at nang to pade kata kajing ya mai kalawan poy siya ni siya po police station hakaba iwan bakin file gitu ki FIRs baka don kata ka jing siya bam bakim siya banyan na kata kalanti ya kita kikanol tinray kani pade kala sujano ha kata karukom hakaba artli ne lightly ne southly gitu ki vehicles kila pande ki two wheelers four wheelers ki susya tang kundi ngimdei ban sya ya kani bakanja kasnong la inkra gre kasnong kapatip reu kapatip an man ngimdei ban sya ya kani tingalawan hi tengkat dari NDC sya ka police station ban ong yaki punit baki dei ban shim ya kadenti katkum ki kendon jongkaan amla ban sya yanu ban bat ya kaan takti betul kam tamlele ha ka permit poryong baladon kajing ya di ya bang kaningim dei ban sya lanu bat idang ya persyang bentang banwat ki cases hap ban file namar ba amla ban sya ya kani ka lawlessness bakan yailong kumni ha kani ka constituency bedongi ni shim kya ya kata kum MDC MLA bat nila request ki pulit bakin shim ya ka lenti jongkaan bat ban pe bakum kani ka jingja num jasho hagi por
kadang-kadang guna kajing ong ba sya tay kasi ay batla hagi bombe
actually ngim don kam ban pentula communal yakum kani ka jingja ay yaki pulit ay yaki parties baro bansya banwan ban file gitu ki FIR ko makikwa pat ka law agency kepada ke police department kan sejurip pat kan sawadi kata kamdai siya pang gajing siya so A versus B versus A namar uang ni siya so mangi ubi uang ni Khlem so mangi kata kamdai ke issue ni nai penkelaya ka kajing ya mai bajing pamisung ko jat pendri kamdan AA ru kum ka MLA betip rew ngangaong kaladai pakadai pormir patlaya kren apdeng kajing bam biang takli ha kajing shisha man ki police station man bajar kumni dai man ne shi medical test lut yakat ki badon hoto pachisin bakila long involve ha kanong kajing show ne kajing penken ya kaduru ka an kita ki balik kita ki kamru kim dei ban ong ngam leg ya ka medical test mar usually ka dei bet kata kajing ya di ya bam but kalong ka pasosi ngakum ka MLA hashi snow ba dei ban ya kim jing mun than kada ki khon samma ni ki kwa ban yang shi surok shi benti suge bakinya tendo paralok ya di coffee ngangam kwa bandai kata ka MLA ka ban penduk mensi miki bakim don caka banjai re hapang nisya pa di pi bapinyele kumni pi show no kumni tisano kan boy ka snong donga apa along em kata
kadang yang kata kajing kena bagi polisi APF rugi kita keti ya kita ki
Mano?
khasi
Pi
Kadan yang terakhir.
barabor wat sya ya ka ham saya bakan kam kraw ya ka jingjang. Mano ba syo yano lada uday ni emu uniform personal. Kabam lalong kata. Aba piwan da ka mob bani keren di gero ka kam tam le ha ka pormiet kam don ka jing syai. Ipulit kinwan tip mata. Ki report skin penbiang mata. Tambah ka ham saya kata ka jing ya per ba jat penriu ka digaway. Kata ka jing syo ujat penriu kum tau bodai utau opistana bomdai opsar usyo kita tinggi day penpen bakani ngin kontino hangi rei numdon uweiru uban long halor kaan barok ngihap ya lembah kaan pat ai baka denti jong ka jing jurip kan pedi ya ka jingja menen
Ang ito ba na yung kapag-jagklot, yung kulit, yung nakaling kulit pa.
Kung no pinong katlot na katlot na pulit pesini. Kung no pinong bagi pulit kitlot na kimtlot na kiklan. Habalawan na kajing tmu bantang idang la bantan sanga. Tengah mentangan ya mai no banobat no ngan one police station ngan liktang no iti kakali. Siya si ibon keren kota. Siya si ibon keren kota. Piong ba pi kum baduna ka force hang ne ta kadaw pisang no dite kakali ti pikwa kanu ngot ki pulit nginbo aka pormiet apo ka man la ka police station kimla man nyom kum tatang namar badon duna ki force ka ni ka station ngide bandai ka jat bandreu ka tip ya la ka jong ka duty pikno ya ka jing duna ki bai bai ka jing duna la jong ro ken pinha ban ong makadon kum kata ka filia kum no pinong kata post nem ngalalong yang nalay PGO im kan ni jingja. So kibon ki factors pat ngamkwa bangan kredi kita ni. Nrei ngala de patha. Ya ki pulet. Bamdai ban sya. Ya kum kan ni jingja. Pat na pilalam bapila thang ya ka kali tipin hapan sya jurep. Kum baga judei ka ruko. Mla ban se pinu ya do. Mga kapon ko bakimya soto syo kajabing dalamit layong balik ikwa banya penpoy akum kani ka situation.
the same thing in English, please.
Yes, you ask Linda so that I can get
karena tadi kali bahasa thang bat lano try in kota je.
ngayo iba kaway ka gypsy te kala snew shisha kaway ka kali ngayo ila pra la patdut ngayo i kaway ka bike ti yakata ka jing jurip dungin up na kipulit tang mangim siya pi yakanika lawlessness bakan wanja haka constancy.
Ang kanya.
I will not be able to ascertain the details of what exactly has happened because the police are now preparing the report. Honorable the HM has himself instructed the police to take control of this situation, to prepare the reports and to ensure that we know what exactly happened. Fact of the matter remains, if you have violated law, you will have to face the music, you will have to face a case because you cannot do this. There's absolutely lawlessness. Now we have seen that in the entire stretch of main road like Umkhra, inner circle. Every night we have this hanging out of young people saying they're having coffee, saying they're meeting friends. We don't have entertainment spaces for our children, for our young people. As an MLA and my MDC, we have observed. Many people have advised, why do you allow? But then we are of the opinion that if kids have nowhere to go, it's okay if they hang out on the road also, no problem. But here now you see this kinds of incidences. When arsoning takes place in a police station, it's a complete violation of law. The arguments started in another location there in Bhagyakul between two groups. And this is what has resulted.
Is it a fact that it's the cross was basically due to the drunken brawl?
It is obviously a drunken brawl, but how do you determine a drunken brawl? Firstly, cops, the police on duty should insist and take medical reports, breath recordings of individuals, then only can you say it was a drunken brawl. But I don't know whether that was done. So I have urged the police to take cognizance of this. In fact, we should have more and more of the mobile alcohol breath analyzer machines, because this is not acceptable, not acceptable at all. I want Ïaid to be peaceful. You come from somewhere to my city, to my streets, and you create this problem. I am expressing my anger on that. Ïaid is a peace-loving community, and we do not want any rumors to start from here. There has been no differences of communities, please remember. Two groups of people, probably in a very drunken mood.
Ma'am, will the police summon both parties on this?
Police will do its duty. It is not for me to dictate to them. But law will take its own course.
So have these two groups been identified?
I will not respond to that because that is a concern of the police department. I am the MLA. It has happened in my constituency. I'm here to ensure that this does not repeat and that we contain this. But if you have burned a police vehicle, obviously you will have to be answerable.